Chasing and aligned action is so different because chasing is you still trying to control and force an outcome. But aligned action is truly action that feels so natural that you don't even have to think twice about it. So I wouldn't say that aligned action is needed for every manifestation, because I have manifested things without actually doing anything about it. Like, I just have to work on my own energy and my desires find me. So my focus is to just stay in the state of my desires. And usually the state is very similar. It's like, hi, my cat is like trying to get my attention. But if I'm trying to manifest love or money or a new job or like travel experiences, I find that the emotion is actually very similar. It's like, you know, the emotion of love and like joy and abundance and gratitude. If your focus can just be on yourself, on your energy, and this means that you're actually doing the subconscious rewiring work, right? And that is, you are really sitting with yourself in stillness and rewiring your body to feel safe. And so aligned action is also not chasing, because it's not coming from a place of lack. It's not coming from a place of like, I have to do this or else I'm not going to get my desires. It's really coming from a place of like inspiration and joy and expansiveness. And it comes from trust and knowing as well. So it's like a very joyful and playful way for you to move closer to your desires. And I'm not saying that, you know, taking action is always easy, because yes, sometimes we do have to put ourselves in really uncomfortable positions and we have to do uncomfortable things for us to like, you know, level up to the next level version of us. But it still does not feel forced. And when I say it doesn't feel forced, it's almost like, even though you're taking that action and no matter how uncomfortable it's making you feel, you still know deep down. And again, I can't really explain this because it's more of like a body feeling. And I'm sure each and every one of you have actually felt this, but it's like this deep knowing that everything is going to work out. And the way that I think about it too, right? It's like, creation is complete. So when you're on a manifesting journey, you're not actually creating anything from scratch. 99.9% of creation is complete. So all you're doing is actually aligning yourself with your desires. And alignment does not come from chasing, because chasing comes from lack. So alignment comes from the knowing that I am worthy of this. I'm worthy of this desire. And the more that I work on myself and the more that I work on my energy, I don't even have to chase this desire. Like, the desire will find me. So I don't think aligned action is needed to manifest every single thing. But yes, of course, some things do require your effort and your action, but that comes so naturally. And that usually comes from connecting to something bigger than you, something even beyond your mind, right? So this is the soul and the higher self. I actually teach you how to do this inside my new anti-manifesting manifestation guide. This is basically the program. It's like 12 days, and I really teach you how to manifest from soul and from energy, and not through chasing or effort or action. All right. If you resonate with that, I'll see you in there.